Look at that, I got a little dirt on her. Looks good. Well, here we go. Let's go for a ride. Inaugural run. So I brought the machine home, put a picture on Instagram, or a video on Instagram, and a picture on Facebook, and like literally 15 minutes later, Sean was by wanting to go for a ride. So we gotta go for a ride. What are you gonna get out? Gonna pull her ahead, boys. I'm gonna scratch the new machine. Maiden voyage, boys. Oh yeah, that's my machine over here. I'm used to looking for the red one. Yeah. Burning stinks. It's melted quite a bit. What? It's melted quite a bit.
Oh yeah. I wasn't planning on getting muddy today.
You know what? I like the ride's not that stiff at all.
Yeah.
No, I think I was on. What is it on? I think it was on 2. No, it's pretty good. Like firm, but it's quite a bit of give to it. Oh, fan works. Fan's working. That's a good sign. Yeah. On the tire too, I'm trying to go like breaking it in, breaking it in, breaking it in. Yeah. Yeah. And the clutches, everything's brand new. Yeah. So just trying to vary it a bit, vary it, and let everything.
Then some guys will be like, ah, drive it like you stole it.
No, not for your belt, man. Hey, so we got a little fire pit area set up there. Probably a little more work to keep the camera clean today. play with these a little bit.
Try going down here?
Sure.
Okay.
I got waterproof boots. Oh yeah, that'll be fine.
How's she feeling?
It feels awesome, man.
Yeah.
The way the suspension is, calibration on this is so far, it's pretty smooth. It doesn't react to the small bumps as much. I don't even feel a thing through the handlebars. You can feel the whole bike moving on the little stuff, and I was watching yours, you can see the suspension not really moving too much. You just the tires up and down, but then when you hit something more, then it gives, right? I like that. Nice. Got my phone. I know I want to get a new phone, but I don't want to get it like today. Pretty high. Yeah. No, no. The suspension just eats those things up. Oh, okay, 15.8 kilometers. 15.8. Oh yeah, look at that. Crazy.
Where to now?
Well, why don't we go up back that way and then we'll go over by the park and through and around? Yeah, sure. I like it. It's a nice ride. I always like riding up there. Gotta cut back this tree one of these days. Too much throttle here. month, this will be insane. Lots of mud in there. This will look so different in about a month. Fun, man. Let's say it's fun.
Want to go up to the old gazebo and just have a break?
Yeah, sure, yeah. Let's try out some blow. See a blower. Oh yeah. Man, that sounds friggin' awesome. Low is friggin' low. How low can you go? Just like that. I'd say I'm pretty used to it.
Oh my God, I can't believe I almost sold this thing.
I know, you're like...
You're really, you know, when you don't, like, it's been a year almost. It's been a year since I've been up north.
22.
Just walking up the mile.
Yeah. Yeah, we sure are. Yeah, I gotta get those hand warmers on tomorrow for sure.
Why not keep the energy going and watch this one right here? I'll see you in the next one.